In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon code in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to refresh your skills, understanding how to add a coupon code is a key part of managing your online store effectively. Offering discounts not only encourages more sales, but also helps to attract new customers. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you've logged in and are comfortably at the home screen, the next step is to look for the option called Discounts in the sidebar. The Discounts section is your go-to place for managing all kinds of sales promotions, including coupon codes. Once you're in the Discounts section, you'll notice there's an option to Create Discount. Click on that, and you'll be presented with different types of discounts you can offer. This is where you need to decide what kind of discount you want to create. Whether it's a percentage off, a fixed amount, free shipping, or even a buy one, get one deal, the choice is yours. Simply select the type that best suits your marketing goals and your customers' needs. Next, you'll have to choose the method you want to use for this discount. In this case, we're focusing on discount code. This means you're creating a specific code that customers will need to enter at checkout to receive the discount. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can either come up with your own unique coupon code, something that perhaps ties into the sale or promotion you're running, or you can let Shopify generate a random code for you. The generated option is quick and easy, but remember that a custom code can add a personal touch. After selecting or creating your discount code, it's time to enter the specifics of your discount. This includes setting the discount amounts, any usage limits, the start and end dates for availability, and any additional conditions that must be met for the discount to apply, such as minimum purchase amount or specific products included in the offer. Adding these details ensures that the discount will work exactly how you intend, without any hitches. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and reviewed it for accuracy, go ahead and click Save. And just like that, you've successfully added a coupon code to your Shopify store. It's a bit like setting up a mini promotion, and it can make a big difference in your sales. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily create enticing deals that your customers will love. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your promotions.